Hi, this is Dr. Saxena, and I've been discussing. We are trying to work on some of the simple things, which what are that signals you get some mild, simple kind of stuffs which you believe that it's quite normal and all that, but we will just see how we can help this out. The last segment I was talking about body odor. At this, so I thought let me talk about something like. Smell which is emanating from the orifices like from the mouth or from the anus. This is called halitosis. Halitosis involves unpleasant gases or odors emanating from the air expelled from the body. That is the description which was given, which is usually we call it as a bad breath. What I understand, what are the substances that causes halitosis? Halitosis is very common. This bad breath is very common. Usually, people with having something like fungal problem, it's a symptom of fungal Candida albicans proliferation in your intestinal tract. And there is one more thing which is a very common thing which I believe is normally neglected, which is the meat particles which get lodged into the teeth can cause halitosis. You have got some things like garlic causes halitosis. You have something like tobacco. Of course, all of you know about that. Tobacco smoke causes that bad breath. And what are the ailments which causes bad breath? I'll be, as a physician, I'm looking into environmental medicine. I would like to understand whether the patient is constipated, whether he has got what are the other symptoms he has of the GI tract. Is he having some mucus in the stools or what? Because just this symptom can be a simple symptom of giardiasis, which is a parasitic infection. Giardiasis is a most amoebic kind of thing, but it can be something like a deficiency of hydrochloric acid, which can cause halitosis. Sometimes liver ailments can cause bad breath. And the common things which I look into is mouth ulcers first. The second one is periodontal disease, like you have got other tooth decay. Sometimes you have got, we need to go deep. We have some people who are suffering with sinusitis, people having some tonsil infection, people having some lung infections, common cold. They may also have halitosis, which is bad breath. So, what are the measures which, as a person, you can take on your own? If you can, if you want to see that this bad breath, unpleasant gases, you have a problem. I would like to suggest everyone to go for simple remedies first, which is something like a charcoal. It's a concentrated form of carbon by eliminating toxins from the digestive tract. This is one of the being working in a field of toxicology for some time. I believe this charcoal is one of the best particular thing which is available over the counter, and it is helping you eliminate this toxins from the body. Needless to say, almost all my prescriptions has got something like charcoal first thing in that. I try to work on something more. When we work it out, we try to work with something like vitamins. We try to work with chlorophyll, green kind of stuff. In this carotenoids, chlorophyll has got a kind of substance which is it's almost you need to go easy on greens. It eliminates a lot of problems. And you have got something like these are a few of the things which the first thing I'd like to put is the charcoal. Charcoal is the amazing thing. And apart from that, there are some foods which can elevate this bad breath. Chamomile tea is one, cinnamon, your dalchini is another thing. We are living in a spice country, and we believe in cloves. We try to work with neem. We use something like rosemary, peppermint oil, and all that. All these things that helps in reducing the halitosis. Apart from that, you have got cardamom seeds, you have got fennel seeds, you have got coriander seeds. Indian kitchens usually have all these things. The last one is salt water gargling is very effective for this simple thing called bad breath, halitosis. And try to follow some simple things which uh, are really helpful, and you really need not get into unnecessary problems because of that. At the same time, if you have got this, if I believe you have got a candida or fungal infection, I need to work out. You need a medical advice, and you need to work out in a proper way. Um, this is again something, a small thing which people, they just try to block their mouth and all that. No need for that. Try to use all these stuffs. It will be like a good thing to begin your day. And yes, there are a lot of commercials of toothpaste and all that. You really try to select a good toothpaste also, and try to begin your day with this particular thing. Thank you.